In this video, I will show you a stitch used for shaping a garment, the make one left stitch. This is often abbreviated as M1L in knitting patterns. You are basically creating a new stitch from the bar between the two stitches on your needle, and the new stitches will lean to the left. You can see here that I have 6 stitches on the right, a stitch marker in the middle, and 6 more stitches to the left of the marker. In this video, I'll be making left-leaning increases to the left of the marker. The marker helps us know where we need to make our increases, and it also helps to demonstrate how the number of stitches has increased. First, you have to knit your pattern up to the marker, and then slip the marker. Once you've knit all the way up to the marker and slipped it, we're going to pick up the horizontal bar from between the two stitches with our left needle. So you can see the horizontal bars here that are between the two stitches when we pull them apart. So we're going to pick that up from front to back with our left needle. So we'll see that one more time. We're going to take the left needle coming from the front and moving toward the back, picking up that horizontal bar. Next, we're going to knit that new loop on our left needle through the back of the loop. So this can be a little bit tricky and tight sometimes, so I try to help with my left pointer finger to make that a little bit easier. So then we'll just knit through the back of the loop, and we'll continue on knitting, straight knitting to the end of the row. After making an increase like this, the next row, in this case the wrong side row, will just be knit in straight purl stitch with no additional increases. Once you've finished the wrong side row, once again on your right side row, you can knit to the stitch marker and then slip the marker. Now we're going to do another make one left stitch. So let's pick up the horizontal bar between the stitches from front to back, and then we'll knit through the back of that loop. Again, once you're done your make one left stitch, just knit to the end of the row, and then just knit straight purl on the back. I will continue knitting in this way for a few more rows to demonstrate the effect of the stitch. After a few rows, you can see a slanting line along the fabric, and that the stitches seem to be coming out of the line leaning toward the left. We still have 6 stitches to the right, but we now have many more stitches that we've created on the left side of the marker. Here you can see the line slanting down the fabric, and that the stitches seem to be leaning out towards the left of the line.